Maluti a Phofung Local Municipality, its Executive Mayor Councillor Vusmus Chabalala and DJ Twasa are inviting the community to a talent showcasing auditions that will be held in areas around the municipality. Come, take part and display different talents with skills so that you can stand a chance to be among people who will be exhibiting their work during this year's Dipontsho tsa Maluti Festival. Dipontsho tsa Maluti Festival, our culture, our legacy.